Sir,
you?
good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening,
evening. Good
sir.
evening. Good evening.
Sir, actually, it is a very amazing session that I actually, before joining in this 5 day session, I thought that communication means only the a way of the English fluency. But now I could understand that these many points are there. That means the communication means mainly the English grammar. And next is just you told that soft skills. And next is neuroscience. Sir, actually, up to now, I don't know that neuroscience is included in the communication. But you clearly explained that it is the main point while we are expressing ourselves, and you told that starting only that our what it is, our personality we will show. Yes, that means our personality we can express by our communication by all these categories. But it's really amazing, sir. Now I am having full confidence that so, sir, actually the neuroscience is very important, and not only the communication, the fluency of the English, but all these are the main important points. That what you are doing is a very great job that no people knows about this. You are teaching them that this is a communication main that means this is the main point. And sir, by taking the 100 rupees, I didn't understand that how you're giving this much of quality. Actually, I thought with the 100 rupees what they will give, but the first class you told that they are not providing the 100 rupees plate with the full meal. Really, it is a complete meal, sir. Be fully satisfied. And who will join for the further course? Definitely, they will be the success. They will get the success in the future. Definitely, sir.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for
Thank
this
you.
great
Thank you.
work.